Hey guys, this is Andy again, back with another video. So today we're going to do an unboxing. So if you're new to my channel, I do gameplay tutorials and also product reviews. If you like what you see, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, there'll be links in the description in case you're curious about the item that I have in the video. Thanks. Hey guys, so I'm back at Best Buy again, but a different one. So I was going to actually go inside to look into getting a different mic for my camera, because the one I currently have, it seems a little bit too big, and I want to end up having something so I could be able to vlog or take on the go. So let's see what I find. Hey guys, so today in this video we're going to end up unboxing the Rode Video Micro. It's basically a microphone that you end up using for your camera. The main reason I end up getting it because it's a little bit more smaller and a little bit more discreet, so I could be able to take it on the go. So let's see what's actually inside the box. I'm not going to go into detail about it because at the same time I do know that there's a bunch of basically videos on YouTube that go a little bit more in detail than I can possibly do it, especially since I'm a novice to all this. I'm barely starting to learn. And the main thing that I could end up doing is helping out somebody know what they're actually buying once they end up getting this type of microphone. Okay. So that's the attachment that you end up using for your camera. Basically, you just attach this to the hot shoe, then you just tighten it up with that. So that's that. So this is a microphone. This little fuzzy ball is supposed to end up blocking out like wind noise and everything, so when you're outside and it's very windy, it's supposed to end up helping out with that. Let's see, you'll be able to take this piece off. Okay, so this is a microphone. No, a little bit smaller. Okay, so this is a microphone, and so you could actually have an idea of how big it is. Let's see. Let's bring up my little Zelda amiibo. It's about the same height. So, I mean, it's not that big. That's the main reason I end up getting it. Let's put Zelda to the side. And this is the cable that you end up attaching your microphone to your camera. One connects to one side, then the other connects to the other side. Pretty simple. Let's just put this back in here. Okay, perfect. So that's that. Then the last thing that's inside is a quick start guide. So basically it just kind of goes in detail about the attachments and everything. If you want to pause the video during this time so you could actually get an idea or get a little read really quick, it's there. And I'll show you the back. On like basically the last side, this one basically ends up showing you the microphone levels of how you're supposed to end up setting up your audio. So it's a good read. I'll end up checking this out later. So basically the purpose of the video was just to show you what actually comes inside the box, and so you could have an idea of what you're actually buying. So if you like what you see, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. So I just can't wait to start using this because at the same time I've been wanting to play some Pokemon Go, and taking the camera along will be kind of fun. So if you like those type of videos, just stay tuned and subscribe. Have a good one.